Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your video faster in the CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select your videos that you want to edit. So I open my project. To make it faster, you are just going to select the clip and then select speed, and then you can select normal or curve, but I think if you want to make a video faster only, you are just going to select normal and you can swipe to the right for the faster. If you select to the left, it is for slowly. Okay, just swipe to the right for make a video faster. For example, just click check marks. As you can see, okay, that's it. This is the original. This is the original speed, and this is the faster video. So I think this video especially for those of you who don't know how to make the video faster in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.